The girl dash a beautiful dress for the party. A wore B wears C wearing. I dashed my homework before I went to bed. A had finished, B had finished, C was finishing. He is dash than his brother. A tall, B taller, C tallest. They dash to the beach every summer. A go B went C goes. She dash fluent French. A speak, B speaks, C speaking. I dash a cup of coffee. A want B want C wanted. The dog dash its tail happily. A wag B wags, C wagging. We dashed to the cinema last night. A go B went C going. The sun dash in the east. A rise, B rose, C rises. He dashed the window. A break, B broke, C breaking. My mother dash a delicious cake. A bake, B bakes, C baking. They dash on the phone for an hour. A talk, B talked, C talks. She dash a letter to her grandmother. A write, B writes, C wrote. The children dash in the park. A is playing, B are playing, C and playing. I dash my keys. A have lost, B had lost, C was losing. He dash an email to his boss yesterday. A send, B send, C sent. The cat dash on the mat. A is sleeping, B are sleeping, C am sleeping. We dash to the party. A are going, B were going, C go. She dash a good book. A is reading, B are reading, C am reading. He dashes car. A washed, B washes, C washing. I dash my friend for a long time. A did not see, B have not seen, C had not seen. They dash television every evening. A watch, B watched, C watches. She dash a new phone. A buy, B buys, C bought. He dash his bike to school. A rode, B ride, C riding. I dash a good time at the party. A have, B had, C has. She dashed the door. A opened, B opens, C opening. They dash football in the park. A play, B played, C plays. The baby dash for milk. A cried, B crying, C cries. He dash a lot of money. A earn, B earn, C earned. I dash to the gym twice a week. A go, B goes, C went. She dash a beautiful song. A sang, B sing, C singing. They dash a new car last month. A bought, B buy, C buys. He dashed the race. A won, B win, C wins. I dash my mother's cooking. A love, B loves, C loved. She dashed to the store. A walk, B walks, C walked. They dash a great time at the concert. A had, B have, C has. He dash a letter to his friend. A wrote, B write, C writing. We dash a big house. A live in, B lives in, C living in. She dashed to work. A drive, B drives, C driving. I dash a lot of books. A read, B reads, C reading. He dashed the test. A pass, B passed, C passing. She dash a new dress. A wore, B wear, C wearing. They dash the movie. A watch, B watched, C watches. He dash a good student. A is, B are, C am. We dash dinner together. A eat, B eats, C ate. She dash a cup of tea. A made, B make, C making. They dash on the sofa. A is sitting, B are sitting, C am sitting. He dash a lot of friends. A have, B has, C had. I dash to the music. A. Listen. B. Listens. C. Listening. She dash her teeth. A. Brush. B. Brushes. C. Brushing.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.